In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Notion, specifically focusing on getting those bookings into a database. This is a great way to streamline your scheduling process while ensuring all your data is stored neatly, ready for future use. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Notion application and navigating to the page where you want to integrate your Calendly bookings. It's important that you're working within a page that you have full control over, as you'll be embedding some external links here. Make sure the page is properly organized and has a logical structure that suits your workflow. Keeping your workspaces tidy can significantly improve your productivity and make data retrieval easier. Next, you will need to get the link for your Shopify orders. This might sound a bit unexpected, but stay with me. This link is essential as it acts as a bridge between your booking system and data management. To get this link, go into your Shopify account and locate the orders section. You should see an option to copy the link to those orders. This link will be essential for ensuring your bookings match up with any orders you have, providing a seamless end-to-end solution. Once you have the Shopify orders link, now comes the simple yet crucial part: pasting it into your Notion page. Open the Notion page you've prepared and simply paste the link directly into it. Notion is fantastic at embedding links and dynamic content, so it will automatically turn this plain link into a dynamic interactive element within your page. This is where everything starts to come together. Your Notion page will now reflect real-time updates that match up with your calendar bookings and Shopify orders. Going forward, this setup means you can effectively monitor and respond to your appointments and customer interactions from a single, unified interface. Not only does this save you countless hours of manual work, but it also allows you to focus more on the aspects of your work that matter most. If you find Notion's interface tricky at first, don't worry, it's perfectly normal, and with some practice, it becomes intuitive. Explore its various templates and customization options to find what suits you best. In wrapping up, you've now set up a connection between Calendly and Notion that can handle your bookings with ease. As with all integrations, checking each component works as expected is vital. I recommend double-checking everything to make sure nothing's missed. Should you encounter any issues, retracing these steps, or consulting Notion's and Shopify's support resources can be incredibly helpful. Thanks for following along and enjoy the seamless experience of having all your bookings in one organized place. Until next time.